Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix that annoying error occurring in Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition. So maybe when you try to play in a LAN network, the game gave you an error, an unknown error or a server error, depending. So in the official page of Age of Empires, they tell you if you have trouble connecting with LAN games, you could open these reports. In order to open this port, you have to do it in the firewall. But in my case, and maybe in your case too, and the first time it worked perfectly fine. I opened these ports and I could play with my sister. However, at the second time we couldn't, and we didn't know why. So resignated, we played over the internet, but it's not the same, and so I wanted to play a little bit better. So I decided to port forward the ports of Age of Empires 2. So I did some digging and I found this page that is a guide to port forward, and I found that the ports listed in here are not the only ones. If you can see here, there is a lot of more ports that you could open. So I decided to open every and each one of these ports, and ta-da, solution! I could play again with my sister over a LAN game. So you have to open these ports in the firewall. I'm gonna show you how to do that. In the start menu, we type firewall. I have everything in Spanish because I am Mexican, but I try to tell you all in English. So we type firewall and we open the firewall. I'm gonna put this like this. And right now we click in advanced configuration and we get to this window. Here in inbound rules, I already added all of these parts, and you have to consider the version of your game. You could have the Microsoft Store version or the Steam version, and so there's different ports. The Microsoft version ports, are listed already in the Steam version, but the Steam version use more ports. I don't know why. So if you want to crossplay, it will definitely be better if you open the Steam ports. So in order to open these ports, we go to new rule. Here we click import, next, and here we got two different protocols, TCP protocol and UDP protocol. And as right here, we have TCP and UDP. So these ports are only for TCP protocol and these ports are only for UDP. You can notice that some here repeat and some TCP repeat in UDP. You have to do it individually even if they repeat. So right here in TCP, I'm gonna try the first port, the 3074. So I type that 3074. We click in allow the connection, then next. Here we got three options about the when this rule is applied. I wouldn't recommend clicking in here, but if you are not gonna get out of your home or something like that, this recheck, it wouldn't matter. Just leave it checked. Then we click next, and here we put whatever name you want to put it. I'm gonna put 3074 TCP in order to not confuse myself, and one because I already added. So I click in end, and and I got it right here. You have to do this for everyone each one of the sports to fix the problem that you got an unknown error or a server error in Age of Empires 2 when you try to play in a LAN game. So that will be all. I hope you solved your problem, and thanks for watching.